Good morning, student. Welcome to first maths class of 10 in SKM Senior Secondary School. Our first topic of maths is real number, and real number can be expressed as follow according to board representation. And according to board representation, we classified real numbers into parts: rational numbers and irrational numbers. We can understand rational numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and Q is not equal 0, and like 0, 1, 1 by 2 and 1.353535 and so on. And these numbers also can non-terminating but repeating numbers, while the irrational numbers are the numbers which can be non-terminating and non-repeating numbers like root 2, root 3, 1.20, 200, 200 and so on. But when we are on rational numbers, it can be classified into two forms: integers and fractions. Integers like -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and fractions 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 and so on. But integers can be classified in two parts: whole numbers and negative numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, while negative numbers are -1, -2 and so on. But we can be classify the whole numbers in two parts: 0 and natural numbers. 0 is 0, but natural numbers are the all counting numbers. But student, we are on the first topic of the class 10, and the important topic of the class 10 is the SCF of two numbers and other different two numbers. So we can be understand these numbers by using Euclid division algorithm in class 10, while in previous years we can be find it by prime factorization and other methods. So we are understand the Euclid division algorithm by using some example of the following numbers. We have the formula
3.
We can understand Euclid division algorithm by using some examples based on dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So I express two numbers 13 and 2 in front of you. If we divide 13 by 2, in this case the 13 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor, and it divides the 13 by 6 times 12, and we have the remainder 1. So 1 is the remainder. But again, if we divide 2 by 1, so we have getting 2. In this case the remainder is 0. So these divisions can be expressed in the form of 13 is equal to 6 into 2 into 6 plus 1, and 2 can be expressed in the form of 1 into 2 plus 0. In this case we have the remainder as 0. And some other examples: if we divide the 101 by 2, so we have 50 as the quotient and 100 and 1 is remainder. So 101, which is the dividend, can be expressed 2 into 50 plus 1. So we have the remainder as 1. So as we read, the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the Euclid division algorithm is based on this concept, in which any number which is the as dividend which is equal to BQ plus R, where R is always greater than equal to 0 but less than B, where A and B are some integers. And if the remainder is 0, then the divisor B is the SCF of the number A and B.
3.
Now student, we are on the textbook exercise of class 10th of maths. The first question is find the HCF of 135 and 225 by using Euclid division algorithm. So we can solve it as follows. We have the greater number on both numbers is 225, which is dividend, and divisor is 135. So student, 135, 225 is divided by 135 one time. It is 135. So subtract these numbers 0 and 9. We have remainder as 90. Now 90 is the divisor and 135 is the dividend. So again next step is 90 is divided by 135 is divided by 90. So it divide 135 one time. So we have the remainder 45. Now the next step is 45 is work as divisor and 90 as dividend. So 45 divide 90 accurate 2 times. So we have remainder r equals 0. So at this time the 45 which is the divisor of the 90 and remainder is 0. So HCF of both number is 45. And we can express these numbers as follow. 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90, and again 90 is equal to 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45, and 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. So HCF of these two numbers is 45. And now other two questions can be solved as follow.
3.
Similarly, the other two questions of first exercise of the first questions are solved as the board representation. So you can note it. Zoom on the board. Student, the similar questions based on the Euclid division algorithm, I can give you a text sheet after this video. So please solve it as the homework.